Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 709, and today's topic is health benefits and nutritional value of mustard oil, which is commonly known as sarson ka tel in India. And this mustard oil is not popular in African countries, especially Nigeria, but in India, and that is in northeastern India, mustard oil is the most popular cooking oil, and not only cooking oil, it is also one of the medicinal oil for different purpose we are using, and it is miraculous type of oil we all Indian are using, and it is fixed oil, and it is extracted by expression method from the seeds of mustard. And there are three type of mustard seeds in India. The one is blackish in color, dark brown. The other one is light yellow, and the third one is deep pinkish in color. There are these mainly three varieties. And the one which is black dark in color is called lahi, and the one which is light yellow is called sarson, but commonly it is called sarson ka tel. It is the mixture of glycerides of monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acids, and mainly it is eroic acid, oleic acid, and linoleic acid, and in some small quantity it contains saturated fatty acids. And the seeds of mustard contain up to 32% oil, ranging from 28 to 32%, and this oil is 100% mixture of glycerides of fatty acids, and these fatty acids are given here. The number one is, that is omega-9 fatty acid, and that omega-9 fatty acid is called erucic acid, and that erucic acid may go from 35 to 40%, and that is your omega-9. 20 to 1 omega-9 means at carbon, this one is omega from here, and at 9 position there is double bond. So that's why, and this 22 means there are 22 carbon atoms. So omega starts from this methyl group, and at 9 there is a double bond. That's why it is called omega-9 fatty acid, and it is from 35 to 40%, and it is called omega-9 fatty acid. The second one is, that is called oleic acid, and it is called omega-3. So from omega, and then it is 3, at 3 position there is a double bond, and it goes from 50 to 59%. And the third one is that is called omega-6 fatty acid, and this omega-6 fatty acid is linoleic acid, and it goes from 15 to 20%, and rest are saturated fatty acids. And this one, this mustard oil is even diagnosed by dermatologists for a lot of skin treatment. For example, if your heel is cracked or feet is cracked, just mix 50% candle wax in it, heat it with mustard oil, and fill that one, and the cracking of all those skin will be over. It is also applied to the nail, because very easily this mustard oil is absorbed by the skin, so that's why it is very good for your nail health. It is also applied to the hair scalp, and this hair scalp can easily absorb, and then your hair will be healthy, since it is rich in vitamin E and polyunsaturated monounsaturated fatty acid. It is very good, powerful antioxidant, and in American Chemistry Nutritional Journal, it is published that mustard oil is good for your cardiovascular system and your healthy hair and skin. This mustard oil is also used in winter season to protect from cold. Some it is little bit heated and then it is applied to feet, to forehead, and then they will sit in sunlight to get the sun vitamin, that is vitamin D, and also they massage the body before the bath. It's very common in North India that before taking bath they will massage with mustard oil, and not only with mustard oil, sometimes the whole seed is made pulpy and they will apply on your whole body, and in this way it will act as muscle relaxant, that is called Uktan in Indian language, is very common. It is just treated as a medicine, and also this mustard oil is used to reduce the inflammation. If suppose somebody is suffering from swelling and all this, they apply little bit hot mustard oil, the massage is done. So it is used as one of the most popular cooking oil as well as medicinal oil. And in North India, there is no vegetable oil which can substitute, which can replace mustard oil. And in every house, it is the lifestyle, part of the lifestyle of every Indian to have at least 1-2 liter, 1-2 bottle of mustard oil kept in their house for multi-purpose, for cooking purpose as well as for skin care purpose, for medicinal purpose. So mustard oil is very, very important oil, not only in India, in whole subcontinent, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal, all Indian subcontinent, the most popular cooking oil is mustard oil, and of course it is very rich in omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acid glycerides. So the health benefits and nutritional value of mustard oil, that is called in Indian language sarson ka tel. The botanical name of mustard oil is Brassica junci Hook, and it belongs to family Cruciferae. And number 1, mustard oil sarson ka tel is extracted from mustard seeds, and that seed may be black or light yellow or brown in color. It has been commonly used in India since ancient time. I mean, for thousands of years, mustard seed is used to get the oil for cooking purpose as well as for medicinal purpose. And mustard oil contains glycerides of monounsaturated fatty acid, that is MUFA, and polyunsaturated fatty acid, that is PUFA. And these two acids, they are responsible to make mustard oil of good quality because of the mixture of poly and monounsaturated fatty acid. Their glycerides means esters, and these glycerides are the number 1 is uric acid, that is 35 to 40%, oleic acid ranging from 50 to 58%, linoleic acid 15 to 20%, and it contains some small amount of saturated fatty acid glycerides, and they are from 9 to 11%. Mustard seeds contain 28 to 32% fixed oil, that is fat, and it is 100% fat, and it has the energy calorie 884 calories of food value. And number 2, It is cooking oil and is integral part of Indian lifestyle. In every house, we must have mustard cooking oil, 2-3 bottles, to use it for cooking purpose as well as for our health benefit and for medicinal purpose. In Indian cooking system, it is mostly deep frying. Actually, in Indian cooking system, and sometimes I can notice in Nigerian cooking system also, deep frying is the first use. Means sometimes you are preparing samosa and sometimes pakoda. So many preparations are there. Gujia and then this puri. All these preparations are deep frying in Indian food. And in Nigeria also, deep frying of yam, cassava, and sometimes when fish. So we are using to deep fry. And for deep fry, this is very good oil, mustard oil, because it is rich in poly and monounsaturated fatty acid glycerides, and it is having high smoke point around 440 degrees centigrade. The only thing is that it gives some pungent smell, but that smell is liked by Indians, because once they, especially in West Bengal, once they are cooking fish or frying fish, it must be with mustard oil. Even they add some seeds of the mustard in fish. I have noticed this thing. They love this much that smell of the mustard seed. So it is deep rooted in our cooking habit. As a seed we are using, cooking oil, extracted oil we are using, and for massage also we are making the pulp of the seed and we are applying, we are doing massage with that, we are doing massage with oil, and for all, multi-purpose. It is a miraculous oil in Indian subcontinent. Without mustard oil, our life is incomplete. Our life is not comfortable. And in our kitchen, cooking, no oil can substitute mustard oil. And amount of unsaturated acid, and the very interesting part is that this mustard oil is having 3:1 ratio, and that 3:1 ratio means that 3% should be poly and monounsaturated fatty acid, and only 1% should be saturated fatty acid glycerides. And this your mustard oil is having that ratio, and this ratio of 3:1 unsaturated and saturated fatty acid is the best for our health, for our body. And this one is having, this mustard oil is having 3:1 ratio of unsaturated and saturated fatty acids, and mustard oil is having this ratio of 3:1 fatty acids. Number 3, according to Indian dermatologists, they have given the formulation, dermatologists, because they are saying that if we have heel crack, or during the winter season, once temperature is very low, our skin becomes very dry and there is always cracking of skin, especially the heel and feet. And in that case, their advice is take 50% simple candle wax, heat it once it is in liquid form, into it add 50% mustard oil, shake it, make it homogeneous mixture, and this mixture you fill in the space of those cracked heel, and put the cotton socks and sleep well in the night, and definitely it will be healed and there will not be any sign of cracking. And also on dry skin you can apply this mustard oil, because it can protect you from sunburn or from UV rays, and also it can keep your skin moisturize, so it is very good for skin also. So according to Indian dermatologists, mustard oil can be applied on the nails. It is also good to apply on the nail also, because it is well absorbed as compared to coconut oil or almond oil, the one almond oil which is very costly. And it is better than almond or coconut oil because it has the power of lubricating nail bed and easily absorbed. For cracked heels, just create a mixture by heating candle wax with equal amount of 50-50 mustard oil. Fill your cracked heel with this and seal it with cotton sock, and there will be healing of crack of heel. So here number 4, mustard oil, सरसों का तेल, is rich in omega 3, omega 6 and omega 9 fatty acids, that is called commonly MUFA and PUFA, with vitamin E and antioxidants. It also contains beta carotene, that is provitamin A. Mustard oil demonstrates strong antimicrobial property. It is anti-inflammatory in nature and it improves the heart health. And this publication is already given in American Journal of Chemical Nutrition, that it is good for our healthy heart, and it reduces the chance of cancer risk because it is powerful antioxidant and it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress. And once oxidative stress is reduced, the high risk of cancer is also reduced because we are free of oxidative stress. It improves the heart health and reduces cancer risk. The most important health benefit of mustard oil is that it is a strong stimulant. This is very special type of property and importance of mustard oil, that it is one of the best stimulant. And number 5, mustard oil is very popular in India and it is hard to imagine life without mustard oil. Indians believe that mustard oil is miraculous. It has multi-purpose. It has miracle, and we can use it as cooking purpose, to deep fry. We can use it as a medicine. We can use it to improve our health benefit. So they consider it as a miraculous oil, and in India there is no any vegetable oil which can replace or substitute sarson ka tel, that is mustard oil. Indians believe that it has miraculous properties and therefore it is used to treat cold and boost immunity, encourage hair growth and provide nourishment to skin, especially with massage. With this, and after massage, it is very common practice to sit in sunlight during winter season at least for 10-15 minutes before taking the bath, and that's why mustard oil can improve your skin health, can improve immunity, and also it can improve your skin health in general. And number 6, mustard oil has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It is external as well as internal uses. It is said to help in multiple ways. Mustard oil loaded with vitamin E, and because of the presence of vitamin E, it is very effective for our skin health, and it can remove the fine lining as well as a wrinkle from our skin once it is applied. So it is very good for dry skin, and especially it can protect from sunburn and also from ultraviolet rays. Vitamin E and is good for skin. It can reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, and it acts as sunscreen. Sunscreen means it can protect from ultraviolet rays which is coming from sunlight. Number 7, it can give relief from cough and cold. It is used as a home remedy in India to treat congestion from respiratory tract. Actually, it is very common practice in most of the North Indian home that during January, December, once it is very cold, and if someone is suffering from some chest congestion or from some respiratory problem, they will massage back side of the chest and front side of the chest, even the throat and neck with hot mustard oil. And this is the home remedy to treat respiratory problem and common cold in India. Mustard contains beta carotene, that is provitamin A, and this is excellent for skin growth. When massaged into the skull, it activates the blood circulation. So, actually in Nigeria there is no exact substitute of mustard oil, but we can substitute it with groundnut oil, because groundnut oil is also having polyunsaturated fatty acids, but not as much as mustard oil. So in Nigeria they can go for groundnut oil, because in African countries, especially Nigeria, I have not seen anybody even knowing the name of mustard oil, such an important cooking oil. And most of the oils which are coming, which is imported from outside, either they are soya oil or corn oil, and groundnut oil is already produced in the Nigeria. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.